Hello everyone, and welcome back to the latest installment of our vlog. Today, we are outside of this beautiful, fully reconstructed home in Garden City by Tillman RE Development. He did an amazing job taking this home from an original tiny split to a fully renovated, fully reconstructed, brand new split level home. We're walking distance to the train. We're close to all your wonderful shopping and attractions in Garden City, all the great restaurants. And unlike the usual home tour, this home is already sold, and the buyer was able to customize their interior finishes. I'm so glad that this relationship with Tillman Development started from a DM on Instagram, and today he's under contract and about to close on this beautiful, totally rebuilt home. Garden City is not just your regular township. This is a highly desirable and prestigious area, and the building department does not play around. We passed every single inspection on the first go around. We had to deal with the architectural review board. We had to have a landscape design plan approved, and every single thing that you see here today was part of our original renderings. And I'm just blown away by the quality. You can see it from the moment you walk up to this front blue stone stoop. That's real stone on the walls, the siding, the door, everything just ties together beautifully. And wait until you see the interior finishes. This house, and really and truly, I can't say it enough, goes well beyond builder grade. I'm gonna bore you to death with some of the details because I know how hard this builder worked to execute some of these details. And let's start right here in this fully paneled foyer with spray finish trim. And these floors are not just regular white oak floors. These are what's called rift-sawn. They're cut against the grain, they're built for durability, and they're all glued and nailed. So you'll never have squeaks, you'll never have creaks, no cupping, no deflection, no gapping. These floors, even the plywood underneath them, were replaced to give you a sturdy, squeak-free, and permanent finish. And just look at the water-based Bona finish on these floors. I could just stare at them all day long. The architect on this set of plans, Vincent Lemma at Trinity Designs, was able to do something very unique with this split level reconstruction. We were able to achieve this two-story entry foyer, which gives you the feel of a center hall colonial. We have the double height ceiling, and we have this balcony overlooking the first floor, which I think is very unique for a split level. And we were able to achieve a very open concept with high ceilings. A lot of splits has 7 and 8 foot ceilings, but you'll notice that these ceilings are higher, and it really lends to making this space feel more grand. Now, we're in the main entertaining space of the house, the kitchen and the family room. We've got these sliders that are actually taller than your usual 6'8" door going to the backyard. And let's just stop for a second and take a look at this really unique kitchen. We've all seen the high-end white kitchen cabinetry from the Hamptons to the Gold Coast, inset doors, soft closed drawers and drawers, all custom made. But this is a very unique home. Kyle did something that most builders don't do. He hired a designer right out of the gate, and they picked all the interior finishes, and you can really see the level of detail that was executed here. These white oak rift-sawn custom cabinets go all the way to the ceiling in this area and tie in nicely with the molding profiles over there. The under cabinet lighting really sets the tone for this marble herringbone backsplash, quartz countertops, Viking appliances all throughout, including the fridge and the microwave, and this extra deep crown sink is just the perfect sink for utility. We did all Anderson 400 series windows throughout the entire house. Even that sliding door to the backyard is taller than your normal 6'8" door, so it gives in a lot of natural light. We've got a gas fireplace, shiplap detail, really nice modern molding profiles all throughout the house. And again, these white oak floors just really set the tone for a modern, clean, but timeless aesthetic. And I really like how this dining room seamlessly integrates into the rest of the open floor plan. We've got 9-foot ceilings, hi-hats, and you'll notice a couple of center-mounted fixtures blanked off, so when people buy their furniture and settle into this house, they can pick those final finishing touches on their own. Now, since this is a split level, we're gonna be kind of all over the place, up and down and around, so follow me up first to these 3 original split level bedrooms and full bath. We all know how expensive it is to build nowadays, but to reconstruct a home and bring it up to 2023 standards with an existing frame and footprint sometimes is actually even more expensive than just starting from scratch and building new. And as you walk around, unless you'd seen this house before, there's no way to know what was added and what was original, because Kyle from Tillman Development did such an amazing job executing all these details. We've got 3 bedrooms, each with hi-hats, their own closet, center-mounted fixture, all pre-wired for TV and internet, and just tons of natural light everywhere. We've got this beautiful porcelain bath with double marble vanity, a separate linen closet, a Kohler tub. I really like all of the tiles and finishes. And as you'll notice, there's nothing builder grade about these mirrors, about these wall sconces. There's just so many nice details all throughout this house. And with the total reconstruction, you get the latest in the energy code, HVAC, plumbing, electric, wall-mounted, tankless hot water heater, all the things that you want to see in a new construction from an efficiency and quality standpoint, you're gonna find here in this house. We've even got Lutron dimmers all throughout the house. As you come up these last set of steps, you'll notice the nice nosing on these steps gives it a little bit more of a modern look. I think it ties in really nicely with the rest of the aesthetic of the moldings and the trim. Now this level is technically considered all for the primary. So you've got a primary bedroom, again with the tray ceiling, lots of windows, natural light. We've got 2 closets. All of the closets have been fully finished. This is the smaller of the 2. And we've got a walk-in closet right here, which is also fully appointed. And we've got a nice big window and hi-hats in there, so it's not gonna be a dark tunnel. And check out this true marble, beautiful primary bath with soaking tub, custom tiled shower, built-in niche, rain head shower, handheld shower, double sink. I really like the aesthetic of these vanities with the inset doors. We've got a water closet in a separate space. There's no Home Depot fixtures here. This is a 1/2-inch thick custom glass shower door. We've got a Honeywell programmable thermostat timer. We've got a linen closet in this primary bath as well. And very unique for a home this size, we've got a laundry upstairs on this same primary level. And this is the other view of that balcony that I told you about. So it's really, it makes you feel like you're in a center hall colonial as opposed to a split level home. We've got this laundry here, and this could either be an office, this could be an exercise room, but we've got this bonus space right here with 2 large egress windows facing the front of the house. I believe the buyer's actually gonna be using this as an exercise room, but it's not often that you have this designated space to work from home or exercise and in total privacy from the rest of the house. We've got 2 attics, including a pull-down staircase behind us. And follow me down to the ground level now. We have a total of 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. So we saw the 2 upstairs. Now I'm gonna take you to the full bath on the ground level, which is really conveniently located right by the side entrance. We have a custom tiled shower all the way to the ceiling, vanity, toilet, and really just awesome execution all around. We've got this mudroom off the side entrance and the garage with these built-ins. We have a few punch list items left. We're gonna install some hooks over here, but these cubbies are adorable. We've got a door to the garage. We've got a door to the side yard. And we've fenced and put trees around the whole entire property. Every single square foot of this property is fully landscaped and ready for you to enjoy today. Now, this is our 5th bedroom right here with a closet and some custom storage. Check this out. No space was wasted. Even in this little corner underneath the stairs, we took in all that space. I just love the colors. I just love this house. I love the finishes. Now let's go down to this lower level, which is fully finished. We've got a vinyl laminate floor, and please excuse our mess over here. We're still finishing up some final details. We've got our house trap and our water supply in this room. We've got another powder room down here, because if you're entertaining down here, I think they want to build like a little bit of a bar down here. You're not going to want to run up and down the steps. So we have this beautiful half bath. Again, the quality and the aesthetic is really consistent all throughout the house. We're pre-wired for TV and internet down here. We have an egress window all of this is legal. It's included in the building permit, so you're not gonna have any issues in the future. And check this out. This was a last minute change. This was supposed to be a crawl space underneath the extension off the back of the house, but we decided why not dig down 3 feet more, amend the plan, and give our folks another couple hundred square feet of living space. And I think this really makes this downstairs that much nicer as a game room or playroom for the kids. Just a really nice space. And last but not least, we have this beautiful entertaining space outside. It's fully finished. We carried the same aesthetic of the natural stone and blue stone into the backyard. We have this nice paver patio. And as you can see, it's 100% finished. Sod, sprinklers, PVC fence, trees. It's 100% ready. You can start enjoying it from today. And our folks are gonna be closing in just about a week or two, so they might even catch some nice warm weather to enjoy outside before fall and winter sets in. I wanna thank all of you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great day.